Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian clearing technique. Basically, you're saying 4 phrases inside yourself to your connection to what we'll call the great something. You may have a different word for it. And the 4 phrases are a kind of petition. You're saying, I have limiting beliefs in me around my intention, whether it's money, romance, health, spirituality, whatever it is. We all have limiting beliefs. Part of the human experience is to remove them and to awaken to our divine inherent power. And so we don't know always what the limiting beliefs are, but if we're not getting what we want, we can assume we have limiting beliefs. So what do? You can say these 4 phrases. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Those are the 4 phrases. And what you do is internally feel whatever you're feeling. And it could be frustration that you don't have your goal yet. And it could be sadness that you don't have it, or grief that you don't have it, or anger that you don't have it. Anything other than happy. If you're not content in the miracle of now, and you're feeling something that's pulling you away from the now, what you want to do is work on that feeling. So, what is it that you want to have, do, or be? That's your intention. As you're thinking about the intention, what comes up for you? Are you impatient? Are you feeling embarrassed? Are you feeling like this isn't going to work, or you're not good enough, or any number of things? Doesn't matter. And you may not even know what comes up for you. You just know, I feel a block. I feel this isn't working yet. Perfect. That's when you say inside yourself, pretending you're talking to the great something. It's a kind of prayer. It's a kind of meditation. And you're saying, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You say it inside yourself. You don't have to say it out loud. You don't have to write it out. It's like a dialogue you have with the great mystery, the great something. And as you say it inside yourself, you really feel it. Feel, I'm sorry. Feel, please forgive me. Feel, thank you. Feel, I love you. You can say the statements in any order. That doesn't matter. And to be clear with you, what you're saying with these 4 statements is along the lines of, I'm sorry for having these beliefs. I don't know where they came from. I'm sorry they're in my database. Please forgive me. Please forgive my parents. Please forgive my ancestors. Please forgive wherever these beliefs came from. Thank you for removing the beliefs. Thank you for clearing me of these beliefs. I love you for my life. I love you for this clearing. I love you for this process. I love you. Those 4 statements are incredibly powerful. They will help you accelerate what you want to have, do, or be. They will help you because they'll remove the beliefs that you may not even know are there.